Hey guys, it's me Daniel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a hot dog. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is have something to draw with. Say I'm drawing with a whiteboard. You can use pen, pencil, paper, whatever, but don't use origami paper. No, use that for origami. You have a whiteboard or some kind of rectangle paper, but if you're using marker on a paper, I highly recommend having another paper under it because the marker might bleed through. So let's get started. First thing that we're going to want to do is have your paper like this. Then tilt it vertical so it looks like a hot dog. Then what we're going to want to do is draw a line down like this. Then another line like this. Oh, I need to straighten them and make them the same length. And around the edges, make them a little bit thicker. And then curve it. And then curve them. And then make them, then connect them. Don't make them perfectly straight because a hot dog's not perfectly straight. And now for the thicker things that you did, simply just erase them. And just draw a skinnier line in its place. And now, okay, this part you want to make the hot dog look even on both sides. So try to make them a little imperfect, but have them a little straight, but a little imperfect at the same time. At the hot dog, when you're doing the tips of them, you want to make them round like this. And then in the middle, okay, so draw like this, a little curved line. Like this. And then try to make them look better than mine, because mine aren't that good. So yeah, have it like this. Then try to draw straight but curved lines down in the middle, so because we're making the beef part. So here we have this. This kind of looks like a hot dog a little bit, right? But on this side, you're going to have, mine looks like this. Because, well, mine isn't perfect. But now at the bottom, the reason why I had you do the curved lines is so you can have a little bit of the bread. But it's only if you prefer to do that. Really, I'm just doing half and half, so it can look like either one. But I'm just gonna do the straight. And remember, drawings can't always be perfect, so it's okay if yours isn't perfect. This is what it should basically look like. But now we're not just gonna leave it like this. Draw some mustard in it. So make a zigzag line in the middle, or some hot dog, or some ketchup, which one you prefer. I like hot dog better. I like ketchup better. You can make it curved, zigzag. It doesn't really matter. as you're drawing. I'm doing mine curved. Like this. So it looks like a little streak of ketchup in the middle. Then over here, you're gonna want to make some lines, like really light. So it should look like this. The only reason why I did this is because so it can have like a little, so it looks like a little bit more real. I mean, I just like it like that way. You don't have to do it. You could do it a different way, but this is how I draw a hot dog. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and then that bell below. Bye!